Attention history buffs, you won't believe the bizarre story I've got for you today. In 1925, on the border between Greece and Bulgaria, a stray dog caused one of the strangest conflicts in history. A Greek soldier chased his dog into Bulgarian territory, and when he crossed the border, the Bulgarian guards shot him. Big oopsie. Greece was furious. They sent troops into Bulgaria, invading the town of Petrich. The situation escalated fast, with dozens killed. But here's the twist. Instead of fighting back, Bulgaria appealed to the League of Nations. And guess what? The world stepped in. Within days, the League brokered peace, forcing Greece to withdraw and pay compensation. This strange war ended as quickly as it began, proving that sometimes diplomacy really does save the day. So next time you see a stray dog, just remember, it could be a peacekeeper in disguise. Subscribe for more bizarre history tales.